As I promised you on our last live and our last couple of lives, I said, hey, we're gonna be doing some new footage, new content, a little bit behind the scenes. And today I've got a doozy. I talk about email marketing a lot, and email marketing is effective, but you can't just throw up all of your services to it. You have to be creative and say, hey, here's some value that I can provide to you. Here's some stuff that you can watch, you can listen to, and sending it to them. And today I'm gonna share some hate comment that we got back to one of our emails. So as a lot of you guys know, I was going live twice a week on LinkedIn, twice a week on YouTube. We send out an email, and part of this campaign, it was like the second or third email in the campaign, we said, hey, we go live twice a week to provide free information to educate and help anybody that doesn't want to pay for an agency or anything like that. Here's some free information, links to some of our content, and this is the email that we got back. I've checked out MFG Tribe before. Absolutely atrocious and ridiculous pricing. Maybe if you stopped wasting time trying to be online celebrities, it could be more cost effective. Seriously? Wow, you go live twice a week, just like everyone else. Some of us have actual real work to do. Stop sending us emails or we will block/report your domain. I mean, this is stuff like, this is going to happen. The more times that you market, the more responses you're gonna get back that are negative. As long as you're not doing anything like shady, we're just trying to provide as much value as possible. We don't put people into our email marketing campaign and like, hey, buy from us, buy from us. It's strictly like, hey, here's a video, here's an article that's specific to your industry that can hopefully provide you with some value or somebody that you know, and then take a look at it. If not, you can respond back and say, unsubscribe me. You can click unsubscribe yourself. You can say no thanks, whatever it is. But for this person to take time out of his day, which he was probably having a bad day, to come back and be like, number one, our pricing is atrocious. Number two, we're trying to be online celebrities. No, we're trying to help as many people as possible. And when these things come through, we just take it on the chin and keep going. You cannot stop whatever your mission is, whatever you're trying to do, just because you get a little hate back. You have to keep on going further because this is going to happen. And I feel like the more that you get it, the more you're going down the right path. As long as on the flip side, you get people like you'll see in some calls that we're going to share with you guys, some people, some big companies that come back and say, hey, we saw this, we like you guys, let's have a conversation. And that all came through the same tactic.